let's just look at America as a whole. Most people, as I'm in carpool or going to the grocery store, if I ask people, do you have good medical insurance? They say, you know what, Frank, I work for a great company. All those people in America, anybody who gets their insurance from their employer is covered under group insurance rules called ERISA, the Employment Retirement Income Security Act. My acronym, Michael, and for your viewers, I think when I get done they'll understand, is everything rotten invented since Adam. Okay. ERISA is an acronym that applies to 97% of Americans who get their health, life, disability insurance from their employer as part of their group insurance benefits. The problem with ERISA is that it doesn't have any teeth, and there isn't any rights and remedies for the average consumer.
Well, Frank, let me hold you up. So what we're really saying then, ERISA would be the oversight then over the insurance companies.
It's a national set of laws that apply to everybody that's got group insurance, and what people don't realize is you don't get a jury trial. There's no right to any discovery, so there's no doctor that's going to get deposed if your claim gets denied. There's no medical evidence that you can submit later. You can't go to a lawyer to fix it. The problem with ERISA is it's all done on paper, and if you don't timely appeal the denial in the right fashion, you lose your right to go after the carrier at all. And that's devastating.
Now, who makes the decision to either pay or not to pay a claim?
The insurance company.
Okay, now, ERISA does what? Now, does the insurance company make that decision based on the rules and the regulations of ERISA?
Correct, and it applies in all 50 states to everybody in America, and the insured is supposed to get a full and fair review of all of the information that goes to a part of their claim, whether it's a medical claim, a disability claim, a life insurance claim. And the insurance company, during the initial process, we ask for claim forms, we fill out the claim forms. The insurance company is supposed to investigate, they're supposed to evaluate, they're supposed to gather all the records. But if they don't, Michael, and they deny, it's then our burden. The burden shifts when the denial occurs, and that's where the insureds are left holding the bag. In order to win an ERISA case, you get your medical claim denied and you got your insurance from your employer. It's a group insurance claim. You've got to prove beyond a reasonable doubt that the insurance company was wrong when they denied your claim. If all you did in the appeal is ask them to re-review your claim, and you don't submit the medical evidence, and you don't give them all the testing and all the supporting information, when it comes time to suing the insurance company to enforce that wrongful denial, I can't take any discovery. I can't take any depositions. I can't send any interrogatories. I can't go ask the claim examiner or the in-house insurance company doctor why they made this decision or that, and the standard of proof is beyond a reasonable doubt. So if there's any doubt whatsoever, the insured loses. When you're sick and you're not well, that's a tough time to take on $1 billion insurance company. What's happened is that the drafters of this national ERISA law, it's been turned on its head. And people across America are finding themselves either outside the appeal time, believing the insurance company when they said all you have to do is a one-line appeal, and folks come to me and expect and hope that I can fix it, and I can't. So the message to the audience is, hey, look, you better understand, take a look at that certificate, and look at the deadlines and look at the timelines, and look for some help, free advice. I've got a website called Darras News, DARRASNEWS.com. It's chock full of articles and how-tos, and there's an 800 number there, Michael, 800-458-4577. From across the country, people need help, and it's my job to give it to them.